How's my walking? Hi, Nancy. Sorry. With Facebook changing the algorithm, so like right now I'm going to do a live. I can't do a demo of my doll because I can't do a horizontal live, but I've got to get out of here for Scotland and I've got to cover everybody. So you're still seeing the visual immaturity and the speed in her vision. That's what's causing the number one complications. Going into these kind of moves, you're seeing her more static with the eyes. In general, her movements are just still a tad too slow. Babies don't have this slow balance and this finesse that can happen when we're older, right? Balance should be like quick and those kind of things and those kind of movements that are going on. And so she's visually slow and her making sure. And then two, she still has problems with pubic bone and walking. So she's walking wide versus through her pubic bone. And those are the two big things that you'd be working on. In segment 3, we do the therabands and stuff, but you're not up to that yet. So I can't make those suggestions, but that's where you need to work with her in the standing up course is that pubic bone strike and again that work there. But because again that's where she'd be walking more because it's too hard to balance when you're going that slow. I don't mean slow here, it's the vision and the body system that are a little bit labored, and that's why you're having the complications. Thanks.